Hi, Mike Smith here with MDS Success Academy, and in this one, if you saw my previously posted video on week 7 of my journey here, I talked about how I met with a business coach, and one that was in the affiliate marketing field. And I wanted to kind of delve into that a little bit more. I talked briefly how she really helped me course correct, and I wanted to talk about why a little deeper. Now, first, I always believe the shortest way to or way to shorten your journey from where you are and the result you want is hiring or working with quality coaches. And I've always thought that, and I've always had coaches in my life. And so I've been doing this online marketing, affiliate marketing, for about 7 weeks. And, the pieces were there, and it's difficult to get them all, together. And I thought I had them together, and I thought it'd be a good time to talk to somebody about goals and expectations and things like that. And I actually thought when I hired engaged the business coach that we were going to talk about my funnel. I was in the middle of one funnel away, and that's how I found her, is on the funnel Rolodex that ClickFunnels has. And I figured we were going to go through my funnel, and she was going to help me tweak it, and then that would help me get to the end of one funnel away, and then boom, I would be making money. And that is, again, that's that short-sighted, get-rich-quick kind of mentality. And so it was really good that sit down with her. She was actually from Australia, and the first thing she asked before she even saw my funnel, we kind of talked about what I was in, what I was doing. I was doing the Partner with Anthony, and she said, "Okay, that's great, good program." And then she said, "Well, who's your target market?" And I just originally said, "Well, it's small business owners." And she said, "Well, it's really broad. Let's kind of pare it down." And we spent the next 45 minutes kind of paring down what the problems is that they're having. And basically I was describing what the problems I had a few years ago. And then we started to talk about what I was offering with this funnel, with the one funnel away challenge. And as we started to go through the list and who my target market is, I started to realize in my mind that my offer had nothing to do with any of the problems my target market had. If they are where I was, say, 2 years ago, they're looking for more leads, better quality leads, trying to engage them, and not sure where to find them and such. And that's exactly where I was. And so she suggested is, let's start off without trying to do the shotgun approach of trying to market to everyone. Let's try to address those issues with those business owners, which is get them more leads, which helps build their business. And along the way, they will discover email marketing and funnel, sales funnels and opt-in funnels and all those things. And really, I can act more as a coach to them to get them through this small part of their business, which can lead to some great results for them. Because I've been through creating an email list, I've been through creating opt-in pages and lead magnets and reports and all of those things. And that's something that I can certainly help someone right now. I can't help someone who wants to make $2,000 a month because I haven't done that. So that's my short-term goal, say for the next year, is to work and get $2,000 a month consistently. So I can then I'll find out what system works, and then I can offer that to my list and people that I'm already working with. So I just wanted to kind of go over why I'm making this course correction. I'll still do the Partner with Anthony because it's an experiment now, learning how to put things together and such. But I'll focus a little bit more harder on email marketing for sole proprietors and small business owners who don't have the time or the energy. Sometimes it's just takes a lot of energy when you're working 60, 70 hours a week to put together something for their clients and such. So that's what I'll be putting together, and hopefully in the next few months I'll be offering it. If it's something that interests you and you want to talk about marketing for your business, click the link below. I'll have a link there where I'm happy to talk to you give you a 30-minute consultation, and kind of tell you my story, and we can talk about what your challenges are, and together maybe come up with a plan that you can execute. So until next time, to your success.